Many entrepreneurs want to make passive income online utilizing affiliate marketing. So what they do is they go to YouTube doing some searches how to make passive income online or how to make money online, and they end up with worthless videos. And they run into problems, then they give up. And this is the last thing that I want you to do, because I was in your shoes. Is there a solution for that? In this video, we're gonna go over the solution for that and how you can start making passive income online very quickly. My name is Mark Daniels, and I'm gonna show you how to make your first $10,000 online. I'm gonna take you step by step of telling you exactly what you need to do. And the first step is for you to make this like button blue. That means smash that like button so I can make some more videos and you can help this channel. I want to let you know that there is no plugin in this video for you to buy a course. This is absolutely free. There is nothing for you to buy. Let's go to work. When you become an affiliate marketer or you want to become an affiliate marketer, you have to think a little bit outside the box and you have to do it a little bit different. That's what's called deductive reasoning. It kind of forces you to think in a certain way as a top affiliate. Even if you're not a top affiliate, even if you're just starting out, you have to do it in a different way, because 98% or 99% of the people or affiliates or marketers, they don't do it this way. So there is a reason behind that. And we're going to go ahead and start with this. Now, you have to have a goal. Obviously, you have to have a goal. And this is what we start with. We start with the end results. We don't start with the beginning of what we need to do. Even though I covered it in many different ways, as far as I have a lot of different videos for different types, for niches, for example, for marketing and so on. Then I'm going to give you some really later on. I'm going to go ahead and give you where to go to get everything that I'm talking about. So what are we going to do? We're going to set a goal. This is what I tell all my entrepreneur students is you have to start with $10,000. This is the minimum that you should be going for. If you follow the teaching of how I'm doing it in front of you, you'll be able to even create $10,000 very easily. Now, I'm not talking about 10 in commission. Okay, this is number one. I'm talking about 10 in sales. The second thing, I'm not putting a hard time limit on it. When you first get started, you don't want to put a hard time limit, but you have to put some kind of a limit. What I'm talking about, this is how I tell everybody, I want to make $10,000. Yeah, this is your goal, $10,000. If you're going to do it part-time or if you're going to do it full-time, that depends on the time frame. So you have to put it in a time frame. Otherwise, it's not going to work. I'm going to go ahead and just accomplish the $10,000 in sales within 3 months. Put a time stamp on it. Very important. The second thing you want to do is, this is what deductive reasoning. I want to make $10,000. How am I going to do it? I'm going to have to make sales. Make sales, obviously, online. We are talking about affiliate marketing. Now, the other question that you have to ask yourself is, how am I going to make the sale? I need prospects to get the sale. That pool of prospects, you're going to have people that buy someone else's product as an affiliate. If you are selling your own product, that's also the same sequence of event that has to take place. Then you ask yourself, okay, prospect, where are they gonna come from? They're gonna come from email list. You have to have email list, and I have that in all my description. If you look at all the descriptions that I have in my videos, I don't talk about it. And some people ask me, okay, well, what is the best product for this? What's the best product for that? I don't talk about it because I'm not here trying to sell you anything. I'm just trying to give you some information that will help you, because it's not fair for only just a few people, 3% of the $14 billion that is actually generated every single year is coming from only 3%. And that's why you have to do marketing. Now, there are different types of marketing, and the one that I suggest for beginners obviously is different than veterans who have been doing it a long time. There are 3 layers of marketing, and I'm talking about generating traffic, which is the same way. When you reach that 3 layers, you're basically dominating that market. In my video that I'm going to show you in just a little bit, how to get the fast traffic and start building your list very quickly. Let's go ahead and go back. How am I going to get marketing? How is that going to happen? What are you going to market? You're going to market product. Why are you doing the marketing? Because you are trying to sell affiliate products. And if you notice, I said affiliate products, plural, not affiliate product. How do we sell affiliate products? And this is something important that you need to understand. You have to have a plan in action of how you're going to sell the affiliate products. I'm going to give you some places where you can go and just watch me in action creating all this that you see in front of you. If you feel that this is something of value to you, subscribe, drop a like, and make sure to hit that notification button or the notification bell so you'll be able to see the next video that is going to be related to this one on some kind of a level. Now, the plan. What do you need a plan? The plan is simple. Now, I did talk about that. I do have, and I'm going to tell you in just a little bit about the niche right now. I'm going to tell you where to go. In two places. There are two videos that I have that explains about the market and explain about the niches. And I'll talk about that in just a little bit. But as far as how am I going to come up with a plan, you have to have a niche. And the niche, I did a very lengthy how to pick your niche. Most failures in the affiliate marketing industry. By the way, I don't just do affiliate marketing. I do a lot of other things. But most people that fail, you know what they do? They start right here. They pick a product. They go, oh, what is the most selling? Oh, I want to go to the most selling product. They forget about everything else because they think everything is going to fall in place. What's happening is that the top affiliate laugh at you. For the lack of a better word, they like you to make these mistakes because of the simple fact you're not going to sell anything because you started in a wrong place. They go straight to the product and they just start to put it out there and hoping, praying that they will make a sale. The reality is they don't. Okay, the plan. Now, as far as the niche is so important. A lot of people are not interested in a niche. And the niche is the most important for a lot of reasons. Obviously, I do have some videos here that you can watch. The first one, these are the thumbnails, obviously. The first one is the best affiliate marketing program in 2020. So go ahead and just make sure that you take a look at it and you follow it as well. I mean, you see it and you watch it. The reason I'm telling you about this is because 99% of all the affiliate marketers that you see on YouTube, they all did what I did not recommend. Everybody recommended involve yourself with Amazon affiliate marketing or Amazon associates. If you watch this video, you'll see why I did not use that. And that's before they start slashing the prices. I didn't do it after Amazon associates start slashing their affiliate commission, not prices, commissions. I did it way before, 3 months before, and I never ever promote or encouraged anybody to do Amazon affiliate. Period. Why? Because I do have rules that I'm going to share them with you in this video right here. And there's also a download and a blueprint that you should download and follow. It's not like, hey, I'm smarter than anybody else. No, but you should have rules. If you want to succeed, there's laws for success and you have to follow it. If you don't follow it, you're going to end up just like the other people losing their shirts. There's a business rules. In this video, I'll show you all about this. It is so important. If you want to succeed, you follow what I have. If you want to fail, don't follow anything that I have. I'm just being very blunt, and I do that with all my students. I'm giving you this information. I'm not charging you anything. If you want to succeed, follow this line. If you don't, then don't do that. As you probably notice, I have these arrows going this way because obviously after you start going, you start from the niche. You're going to start find out about your niche. But in the beginning, when you are planning, what is it that you want to do? You start from your goal. What is your goal? I want to make $1 million. How are you going to make the $1 million? I'm going to sell. What are you going to sell? Who is going to buy your product? Prospects. Where are they going to come from? I'm breaking it down to the micro level so you can see and feel exactly what I'm doing. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, niche, I do have two, but what about the rest of them? Well, if you want the rest of them, you have to watch this one as well. This is a 45 minutes. It's a ClickBank for beginners, complete tutorial step by step. Now, the reason I started with ClickBank because this is the best way to start start as a beginner or a person that does not or did not make money in online affiliate marketing. You have to watch this because that covers everything here that I talk about. This number could be different, could be 10,000, could be 5,000, but there's two reasons for this. The $10,000 psychologically is the best number. When you hit the 10,000 in sales, your psychology will change. I promise you that is going to change. You'll feel like you're invisible. You feel like you can get it done and you're going to be very excited. The second thing is I don't put any hard date on that is because the human nature is when you pressure yourself, especially when you first got started on a date, you feel confused, you feel frustrated, and you feel anxious. When you feel anxious and confused, your subconscious brain go like, you know what, this is new to me. I'm not used to that. I'm just gonna freeze. And that's what happens. But when you have a way out, for example, it's okay. I have 2 months here, 3 months. That is a different process. You do have something good that I'm gonna give to you right now, which is if you want a affiliate marketing product to start with, that has a funnel, it has everything that you need, it also has a product, all you have to do is click up here and you'll be able to have access to it. Make sure that you watch the instruction, which I'm talking about. Watch that video, and everything else is in the link. Do not click on the link before you watch that video because there are some important information. So make sure if you want that, all you have to do is just click up there, and I will see you at the top.